Hey guys, my name is Mike Watts, and I'm a serial entrepreneur based here in Houston, Texas. I got my start, like you, in the home and garden show market. I traveled all over the state and all over the country attending home and garden shows. Since then, I've gone on to start 3 consecutive multi-million-dollar companies. I've won the Aggie 100, I've been on the Fortune 5000, and I even did a deal with Damon John from Shark Tank. But today, I'm more excited than ever because digital trade shows are allowing us to reach in places, in spaces, at scale like we've never been able to do before. As you approach your next digital trade show, I have a few tips that I think will be helpful for you. With digital shows, the hard work is done before the show begins. Most of the work is done in the preparation, in preparing your digital booth. So be prepared to pull together assets that help tell the story of your brand, of your products, of your services, of your company, and any common questions that people might have. Don't be scared to put extra content out there. The more pictures and video that you can have, the better. Second, video is king. People love to consume video, and it's the most effective way to get your message across to others. Plus, you're not limited by the physical space within a trade show floor to be able to demonstrate how your product or service can add value to someone. And finally, be sure that you have fun. Make it fun. Have a contest. Interact with people. Laugh. Make jokes. Let it be a fun experience. This will really help in breaking down the barriers and making that human connection across the digital platform. I hope these tips will help you be successful at your next show. And if you'd like more tips on how to maximize your digital trade show experience, reach out to us at digitalshows.com or email me, Mike, at digitalshows.com.